guys, this is Sky495 here. I'll be doing a really quick unboxing and review. This is a headphones or earphones case. It's by a company called Wen, W-E-N, and it looks like the material is made out of plastic, cotton, nylon, and metal, which is probably just iron in the zipper. So there's nothing too crazy going on with the actual packaging. You can see that it has a little tape here that says that it's new, and you open it, you just have to break the seal. So let's see if I can do that just with my hands. And I can. So the one I have here is the triangular shape design that they have. They also have several other designs, circular, oval, I believe rectangular. But I personally chose the triangular design just to have something a little different, since I already have like over cases like my Shure earphone case right here. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing. Now let's go ahead and move on to the review. Alright, so I've been using this case for quite a while now. It is advertised to be for mainly Apple AirPods, but you can honestly stick whatever you want in this case. It's really nice that it has a little mesh compartment inside as well. But another thing I want to point out before I really dive into this review is actually the zipper situation, which is probably the least thing I like about this. As you can see, when you open it up, the zipper actually starts to move backwards, and there's this huge lip here. And it's not a huge deal, except that it makes zipping up kind of a pain sometimes. It gets stuck every now and then the zipper doesn't really instill confidence, I would say. So I would have preferred that they have a little bit more reinforced zipper. And for the price, it's not terrible, but you know, I wish they had gone the extra mile for that. So actually, a quick fix for that problem is to kind of just spread it out like this. Have the whole case zippered up, and then try to spread it out. As you can see, it's still not perfectly even, but at least this, in my experience, helps prevent the zipper from getting stuck. In terms of size, so let me just go ahead and put my Apple AirPods here with the case. You can obviously put the charging cable in here as well, and you can even put the case in here. If you really want it more secure and you want to put the cables here, that's fine too. But personally, I wouldn't really use it for an Apple AirPod case, because you can see it's already quite a decent size, and the case itself, I don't see why you need to put a case within a case. Well, at least that's for me anyway. Instead, what I like to do is actually put my other earphones in there. So this is the old Apple earphones, if you remember that, the old design, and I also have the Apple EarPods, which I prefer for my ear size anyway. So I would normally just, put one set of earphones in the mesh compartment, and then put the other one right here. Usually the one I use more, I would put it here, obviously. The inside material is nothing particularly special. It's soft touch, and I wouldn't say that it should scratch any earphones. Not that I think earphones tend to be really scratch prone or anything like that. And closing it up is not a particularly big deal, but like I said, because of the zipper, I think it should really overlap a little more. Sometimes the zipper gets a little stuck. But it is a semi-hard, rigid case, so it's not a super soft one like the one I have here from my Shure. Mine's here also came with a carabiner. This one, it has no place to put a carabiner. I don't really use this, but I mean, if you're one of those people who like to hook it to the exterior of your backpack or something like that, it doesn't have anything to come with that. So the soft touch material here kind of mimics like fake leather in a way, so it's pretty nice. I wouldn't hate on it. Honestly, the material here reminds me of the material on the back of my Bose QC35 case here, though this is a little bit more obviously faux leather. This one's a little bit better, but this is not too bad either. It's not a fingerprint magnet or anything like that, and if you get it a little bit dirty, it's pretty easy to clean. So that's pretty much all about this case. Like I said, there were a couple other sizes or shapes that you can choose from, but this one is actually, in terms of real estate, it's pretty decent, I think, for an earphone case. It's definitely smaller than the one I have here from Shure. Just to give you a quick comparison, on the inside of this one, also a mesh compartment where I put the extra ear tips, and then of course the earphones in the main slot there. So that's pretty much it for this review. Go ahead and check it out if you're in need for earphone cases. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like, it'd be greatly appreciated, and make sure to subscribe to my channel Skyforce95 if you haven't already to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.